Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is my continuing adventures with Paint.net to crop a photo. These are pretty basic computing skills. We're going to do some cropping, reducing size of photos, which is very useful for game image manipulations. I should qualify that Paint.net is free. It's a free image editing tool, very useful for school environments who cannot afford environments that can't afford proprietary and or licensed software. Okay, enough of my proselytizing open source. Let's go to task at hand. Task at hand is to manipulate this photo here. I took a photo without flash in the sunlight. I'm going to open with Paint.net 2.61. Let's see first. I'll do as soon as it gets loaded, and I'll see if there's any updates. Check now. And no updates are currently available. That's fine. Now here's my image. I want to crop it, so I'm going to use the crop tool, the selection tool, and I'm going to crop everything I want, just like that. And let's see, M to select it, Control N, click OK, Control V. Now I've cropped my image. I'm going to put it right there, and I'm happy with it. So detail is okay for me. I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to use the layers adjustments. I'm going to make it white, and I'm going to increase the edge detect. Is that going to help make it a more stylized keyboard? If I make it too stylized, I won't be able to actually read the keys like that. Somewhere in there might be good, but it's not. It's too much. What I do is set sharpen. I'm going to set the sharpen. Click OK. Actually, I can continue sharpening it. Let's see, is there any reference? Okay, that's pretty sharp, like that. Then the last thing we're going to do is resize the image, because I'm going to use this in a game, 640 by 480. I'm going to maintain that, the aspect ratio, so set the width, let's make it 600. 600 by 203, that's fine. Super sampling will be used, that's okay. Best quality, yeah, best quality is good. Click OK. And there is my new, smaller image. File, save as. File, save as, and I'll save it back in the same directory where I'm going to save it in my Game Maker directory, because that's where it's going. I'm going to be using it in Game Maker. I should actually erase that. Cancel. Before I go too much further, I'm going to erase this part here. Let's set the brush width to 10 and erase. Goodbye. That should about do it. I don't want to be advertising for products or impinging on anybody's copyrights, or supporting a company that is so ready to take so much money from schools. Did I say that before? Okay, thank you very much. That should do it. Control File, Save As. Save it. I'll put it on the desktop, which is where my Game Maker directory is, I hope. There it is, Game Maker. And I'll call this my keyboard, keyboard. There it is. And I think that'll about do it. Go back to my desktop, scroll up, folders, desktop, minimize, Game Maker, keyboard. It'll open up, and there it is. Looking pretty good. I like that. And we'll go ahead and close that. We'll close that, and we are finished with our tutorial. Again, cropping, reducing the size of image. We also, what else did we do? We set the image. We also made the image effects. We also made it black and white. We also used the eraser tool. So, there it is. Thanks for watching. It's Daniels, and if this has been helpful to you, please send me an email, dennisgdaniels@gmail.com, and or visit me at dennisgdaniels.com. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.